This is it, everybody. Jada Just Trucks 1/64 scale, the biggest collection in history. This is colorful. I love the colors on these trucks. Large wheels, just like the big time four-wheeling. So we're gonna go on each tour of each truck. Let's count them first. Are we ready? Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You got it. That is 20 of them. Yep. All 20 trucks. 2, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 20 of them. Yep. 20 Jada Just Trucks. We have completed the whole collection of Jada toys. 1/64 scale. The biggest Just Trucks in collection ever. Yup. These cars have nice colors. Okay. Have a nice night. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching the video.